This one's going to be on URL scans. It's kind of like urlview in that it will extract the URLs and launch it. So any URL it sees on your screen, it'll grab it and then allow you to open it with your browser real quick without using your mouse, mainly for command line users. So last time I showed you was URL views, and I'll show you that again here. So URL views, you can extract all the links that you see on screen. Now the thing with this is that it only shows you links, and it doesn't tell you like the context of what the link was associated to. So if someone was talking about, oh, this link goes to this thing, or this link goes to that, or whatever, you don't really know when you're looking at like just this screen here, right? So you have to go back and then read it, and then you do that crap again. So this is where the context comes into play. Okay, it will actually take the screenshot of the conversation. Well, not everything, but the surrounding the links. Okay, so let me show you here. If I do this, you can see that we still have our links that it does. You see our links is here, and then 2 down here. So that's 6 total. So 6 URLs up top here found. But you can see that every link has a number, right? And the number is surrounded by the conversation or whatever it was the other person was talking about. So you can use this in chats or like in email clients or whatever it is, and you see that once it goes to the links, you already know what they were talking about before, instead of changing it back to your program and then launching it again. So basically this is what context view is about. Is to help you, to remind you of what the link was associated to. Okay, and to move up and down, you still do J and K here. Go up and down, or you can use up and down arrow if you want. Now the thing with this one, why I don't think is a little bit better, because you can't really jump to the fucking numbers. So if I hit 5, it doesn't do that. I try to use G5 like in Vim or whatever like that. It doesn't do that, or 5GG doesn't do that. So you can't really jump with the numbers. So URL views beats them in that aspect with the hotkeys. But this one has the context view. Now you can actually do the other view too, just pure links, kind of like emulating the URL views. So I'll show you how to set that up. Now this program by itself, you can use it in scripts and everything like that. But if you're using it in Tmux, you can use it with any other program that you have on your screen. Okay. And so let's set this up, for this one. So close out of that, and we'll go into here and we'll set up for Tmux. So this one was for URL views, pretty much the same thing. All you gotta do is change it to URL scan, and I bind it to a capital what is that, U here, right? And the other one was just lowercase. So capital U, and that's how you will set it up. Now if you want it to, well, they have this thing here, URL scan -h. They have this thing called compact view, I guess. I don't know, just what this one is kind of like that other one for URL views. And so let me show you that too. So we open up our Tmux configure here again, and instead of having just URL scan, we'll add in a -c for compact. And this one will just like parse the links only. It's not going to do the context or anything like that. So we'll save this sucker, and we'll go open our WeChat here again, and we'll reload our configurations. And now when we do this, it's not going to show you the context, like the conversation around it. It's just going to give you the links only. So if you want to like the other program, you can do it, but the advantage of this one is to use the context view, and you can open it like you would. So for example, I open this sucker. What is this? It's some free node crap, right? So that's how you use that. Now if you want to use this in scripting without using Tmux or anything, by itself or whatever, let's say for example we do links dash dump, we'll do reddit.com or something. And yeah, okay, so we're gonna use these links. Okay, let's do that again. Oops, that's not it. There you go. And we'll pipe into, what was that, the URL scan. So you can use it in scripting if you want. You can do URL scan. Now if you do like this, it will just give you the context. So you see that they'll find the links and the context of it. Or you can just use what we did before, which is the compact mode -C, and we'll just extract the links only, right? And there you go. And that's how you would open it if you want to. So for example, I want to open, what is this, ask Reddit here, push enter, open that link. Pretty much that's how it works. Anyways, that's the program. You can use it with tmux, and you can use it within a script. You can actually use this with mutt also if you want to do that. This program is mainly for emails, but you can use it inside tmux really well with other programs if you wanted to. Anyways, that is it for that. There's actually one other method, but using W3M. I'll talk about that another time though.